Welcome to Soap Making Workshop! In this video, we'll learn how to add suppliers, customers, ingredients, molds, and equipment. Stay organized with these simple steps. First, let's set up suppliers and customers. Both sections work the same way. You can store contact details and track business relationships quickly and easily. To add a new customer or supplier, click the New Customer or New Supplier button at the top of the list. In the General Data section, you can assign a custom tag for easy identification, then fill in details like name, website, email, phone number, and status, helping you filter between active, suspended, or other categories. In the Addresses section, you can add one or multiple addresses. For customers, this is especially useful to keep all delivery addresses organized. In the Contacts section, you can add one or more contacts with standard details like name, position, phone number, email, and address. Like all other sections, this includes an image upload feature for visual reference. We'll cover how it works later in the tutorial. The Files section lets you attach related documents like receipts, invoices, or certificates. To add a file, click the Add button, select your file in the dialog box, and optionally include a description. The Notes section lets you add unlimited notes. Simply click Add and type your note. Now let's add ingredients. This helps track inventory and automatically calculates batch costs. Click New Ingredient at the top of the table. In the General Data section, specify a tag, ingredient category, name, whether it's organic, batch number, and expiration date. The system will alert you about ingredients expiring within 30 days. Set the quantity with its unit, as previously explained, and status, like available, expired, used, or discarded. In the Purchase Data section, specify the brand, country of origin, and add any certifications or reference links. Select the vendor and distributor from your pre-registered suppliers. Enter the cost with currency, purchase order number, purchase date, and delivery date. Note that once you enter a cost and quantity, the system automatically calculates the cost per unit, making it easy to compare prices across different ingredients. In the Tracking Batches section, you'll see only the batch tags where the selected ingredient was used, helpful for ingredient traceability. You can't edit this data directly. To update it, add or remove the ingredient from the batch in the Batch section. Any changes to batch tags will automatically update here. In the Images section, click Add, select your image from the dialog box, and optionally enter a description. You can view images in detail through the Image Gallery. Just double-click any image. Here you'll see the full image with its description and navigate between them using the side buttons. To close the gallery, simply click outside the image. The remaining sections are for adding reference files and notes, as explained earlier. Next, let's register your production molds. To add a mold, click New Mold at the top of the list. In the General Data section, specify a tag, name, mold material, number of cavities, volume per cavity, and total volume. While these values aren't used in calculations, they help estimate how much to produce to fill your molds. The Purchase Data section is completed the same way as for ingredients, following the same process we covered earlier. In the Soap Bars Tracking section, you'll see the tags of all soap bars made with this mold, useful for equipment traceability. You'll also find the Images, Files, and Notes sections here. They work exactly as explained earlier in the tutorial. Attach images, certificates, or any supporting documents for quick reference. This helps maintain organized records and provides visual verification when needed. The equipment sections work similarly to ingredients and molds, but with added fields for model and serial numbers. You'll also see batch tags where the equipment was used. Like other sections, you can attach files such as manuals or calibration certificates. Now that we've set up suppliers, customers, ingredients, molds, and equipment, we're almost ready to start creating batches. Keeping this information organized ensures smoother operations and accurate cost calculations. If you haven't already, get Soap Making Workshop exclusively on the Apple App Store and subscribe to unlock all these powerful features. In our next tutorial, we'll explore recipes and procedures registration. See you there.